Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram black screen on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down here to looking for apps. We will click here on apps and we will go here to this is window, which is way to show for us this is window, and we will just go down here to looking for Twitter app here or sorry, Telegram app here, and this is window. We'll just go down and we will go to click here on Telegram and we come here to next window. We will click here on full stop, then we will click here on OK and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage, and we will just go to turn off your you will just go to turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.